Hi, my dear students. Welcome to online classes here. Hope you all are understanding the classes. Let us see here. In the previous classes, we have learned what is mean by HTML, what is the use of HTML, what all these things we have learned. How to create the headings, how to create the link, how to create the headings, how to create a link, how to create headings, colors, all these things we have learned. How to headings means size, how to we are going to be used the size, how to make a link, all these things we have learned. Let us see here. This is a web page of Vijayta College. This is a web page of here Vijayta College. In this Vijayta College, we have the text, we have the links, and we have here image. Background, we have the image or not, but how this image is going to be created, how this image is going to be created. This is a Vijayta College website. Is it clear, all of you? This is the Vijayta College website. ఈ విజేత కాలేజ్లో బ్యాక్ సైడ్లో మనకి ఇమేజ్ ఉంది. మనం ఇంతవరకు ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాం? వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ లెర్న్ టిల్ నౌ హియర్, హౌ టు రైట్ ఎ టెక్స్ట్ ఆన్ ఏ వెబ్ పేజ్, హౌ టు డిస్ప్లే ఎ టెక్స్ట్ ఆన్ ఏ web page, and how to we are going to be create a link, hyperlink we are going to be learn. And next here, today we are going to be learn how to create a image on the web page, how to create a image on the web page. That is the topic here, html image. Okay, all of you, this is html images. That means here how to create the images on the web page, how to create the images on the web page. That is the topic today here. Today this is means here in the background we have an image or not. That means here how to create these images, what tag we are going to be used for these images. Is it clear? Here we are going to be learn the image tag. Here we are going to be learn here image tag. For this image tag, what tag we are going to be used and what attribute we are going to be used. Let us see here. Today we are going to be learn a topic that is known as here HTML images. Images means here how to create a image on the web page. How to create a image on the web page. That is the today's topic here, HTML images. HTML images. For these HTML images, what tag we are going to be used? What tag we are going to be used for this HTML images? Images can be improve the design and the appearance of the web page. That means here the images is used to give the appearance to the web page. That means here with the help of image we can attract the people of that website. We can attract the people of the website. How this image is going to be created? By using a HTML images. By using here HTML images. This is the image, this is the image, this is the image. These images I wanted to display on the website. I wanted to create on the website. How it going to be possible here? Let us see here. We are going to be what tag we are going to be used for this image. Let us see here. We are going to be learn about the img tag. What tag we are going to be used for this HTML images? I am writing here HTML images. HTML images. I am saying here HTML images. And let us see here for this HTML images what tag we are going to be used here. What tag we are going to be used? We are going to be used here img tag. How to remember means here img is there in the spelling of images. In the same way here also you are going to be used here img tag. You are going to be used a tag. That tag is known as here img tag. That tag is known as here img tag. It's clear all of you? You are going to be used a tag. That tag is known as here img tag. img tag. And next here, for this img tag, what attribute you are going to be used. In the previous section, I used a name called as attribute. I used a name called as here attribute. In the previous session, I used a name called attribute. What is mean by attribute here? See here, I am writing the Kavita. Kavita means I am writing here PhD. If I write what is the meaning of this PhD means here, the Kavita is done a PhD. That is meaning that this attribute is related to Kavita. Is it clear all of you? That means here this is related to Kavita. If I am not writing Kavita, is it meaning anything? Meaning is there? No, it does not have any meaning. That is the use of here attribute. That is related to image. That is related to image. The source is related to, we are going to be used a attribute. That attribute is known as here. That attribute we are going to be used here src. That means here source. That means here source. That means image. ఏ ఇమేజ్ నాకు వెబ్ పేజ్లో డిస్ప్లే అవ్వాలి, దట్ ఈస్ ద యూజ్ ఆఫ్ హియర్ సోర్స్. సోర్స్ మీన్స్ హియర్ correct address location of the web page. Correct address location of the web page. Location of the image. ఆ ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడుంది, ఏ డైరెక్టరీలో ఉండేదే చెప్పేదే source. Is it clear all of you? Then we are going to be write here double quotes and the image, sorry, src img image name dot jpg. Why I am using dot jpg means here the images will have always in the form of jpg. ఎప్పుడైనా చూడండి, if it is java program means here dot java, if it is c program means here dot c, if it is html means here dot html. That means I can easily identify, the computer can easily identify what type of program it is. If it is image name dot html undanukondi, that means it is a not a image. See here I am writing here image name dot java అనుకోండి. Both names are the same, but both are the same? No, it is an image, it is a java program. Are you understanding here what I am saying here? That means here always the image extension must be the jpg. Always the java program extension must be the .java. Always the c program, that would say here I am using here doc. Doc means here document. It is a document. All the names are here same, but the type is here different. Type is here different. That means here the image type always be in the extension of JPG. The image type is always the extension of JPG. That is the use of here images. Images ki eppudu extension emuntundi? JPG. That is the tag we are going to be used for img src is equal to image name. Any name, it may be of any name. Is it clear all of you? Let us see here the program here. I am going to be show a program here. Let us see here. This is a program. This is a program I am writing here. Here I am writing the head section. Head section I am writing. In the head section I am going to be used a, what I am going to use here? Head section is nothing but here title. Head is going to be used here always title tag. Title. What is the name of the title? Creating image. Okay. And next here I am creating, next here title I closed here, then I closed the head section. Then I closed here head section. We have here We have here head section, we have here body section. I use the center tag, that means here welcome to BCom. I use the image name is here flower, image name is here flower, that means here in the web page the flower is going to be displayed, the flower is going to be displayed. For this image, what tag I have used here? For this image, what tag I have used here? img tag. And what attribute I have used here? src. What attribute I have used here? src. src means here source. src means here source. Always image tag use చేసినప్పుడు compulsory you have to use here src tag. You have to use here src tag. src tag is an attribute which is related to image, which is related to image. That means here if src, without src we cannot write a image tag. That is an attribute which we are going to be write in the starting of the tags, starting of the tags. Now what attribute I have used here? Source. అంటే image ఎక్కడ ఉందో చెప్పడానికి we are going to be used here source. We are going to be used here source. Image అంటున్నాం కానీ ఏ ఇమేజ్ నాకు వెబ్ పేజ్లో డిస్ప్లే అవ్వాలి? దట్ ఈస్ ద attribute we are going to be used here source. That is going to be used here source. That is means here flower.jpg. the flower.jpg. that means కంప్యూటర్లో కంపల్సరీ ఈ ఫ్లవర్ ఇమేజ్ ఉంటేనే మనకు ఆ ఫ్లవర్ అనేది డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. Is it clear? And let us see here, I am saving this. And how to open the output here? Let us see here. I am going to the BCom file here, BCom file here folder. In the BCom file here folder, let us see here what is the HTML name here? Image img1.html, and click here. We are going to be get a flower. It's going to be rotated. That means here the processing is going to be done. The image is going to be open. That means here the image is here displayed, and here welcome to BCom is in the center. That means here I used here center tag. That means it going to be displayed on the center side, that it going to be displayed on the center. Okay, shall we see the notepad? Shall we see the book program here? This is the I will see the program here, and let us see the program here. This is the program. See here, starting HTML, ending HTML, starting head section, ending head section, starting body and ending body. The head section is used to create the name of the web page. Create the name of the web page. See here, creating a image, name of the web page. We are going to be created the name of the web page. Suppose here I am writing here creating a page. I am writing. Let us see it going to be changed or not. Now creating a image, but now you have written here creating a page. Now here welcome to BCom. I am reviewing here center. Center, I am reviewing the center tag. Center tag, I am reviewing it. Let us see what it happens here. File, save. Then again I am selecting this one. Then again I am clicking here. See. Welcome to BCom. After the image it has displayed it. After the image it has displayed. Shall we move here? Program. That means here what it happens here? What it happens here? Welcome to BCom is going to be displayed here. The image is on the little bit is moved from other side. And next see here creating a page. Creating a name of the web page here. Creating a page. Previously creating image. Now it is here creating page. That means here The title tag is used to create the name of the web page. Title tag is used to create the name of the web page, and the body tag is used to design the web page. Instead of I have not written anything, now here I am using here h1 tag. I use starting h1, ఎక్కడ text end అవుతుందో అక్కడ ending h1. Ending is going to be have a slash. Okay, what is the difference between starting h1 and ending h1? Must be a slash must be there. Both are the same. This is a starting h1 tag and this is the ending h1 tag. In between, what text I have used here? Welcome to BCom. And let us see the output here. File, save. And again I am using here. Is it saved or not? That means here welcome to BCom is changed or not? It changed into a heading. H1 means here heading. H1 means here heading, and the image I used here, that means here image is going to be displayed on the web page. It is the use of the img tag. It is the use of here img tag. Let us see, we are going to be see the another here, another how to create a image. I am going to be show it on the your book. See, go to the Google option here. I am opening the Google here. See here how to get the image on the how to get the image and how to save the image. I am going to be tell you. I am opening the Google. In the Google I am going to be show here uh, or I am going to be create a logo of Vijayata College. Logo of Vijayata College image. How to get the logo? Let us see. This is the village logo college of the. I am opening it here. Then I am making it as a right click. Then I am making it as a right click. Okay. Save the image. Save the image. What I am writing here, where it going to be saved here? Let us see here where I am saving here. BCom final year, and the programs, all the HTML programs also in the Vijayata BCom folder only. How I am, what I am saying here? Vijayata.jpg I am saving here. Save option, it going to be saved, and I am using here. I wanted to display a web page related to welcome to Vijayata College. Welcome to Vijayata College. I am typing here. What name till now? What name I have used here? What name I have used here? Vijayata.jpg. Okay. మనం ఏమని సేవ్ చేసాం? What I have saved here? Let us see here. Where is Vijayata photo? Let us check it out here. Is it image is there? See, Vijayata image is there. Is it clear? This is in the JPG folder. Okay. This Vijayata, I am going to be create a web page of Vijayata College. Is it clear? Logo of image. That means I used here Vijayata JPG. Vijayata. Till now in the previous session we have used here flower.jpg. The flower is going to be displayed on the web page. But now it going to be displayed a Vijayata College. Let us see how it is here. File, save. The program name is here img. Go to img. Where it is img here? Click here img. Let us see what is the output now. See, the logo is going to be displayed on the web page. What is the difference here? Right now we have the flower, but now we have a logo. Now we have a logo. Now another thing, I want a image of our college, image of our college. Okay, this is my college, this is our college, right? In this college I want this. Okay, I'm making it as right click, uh, save the image. Image name is here, Vijayta 1, Vijayta college.jpg. Okay, then in the here I am using here another image. That means here నాకు ఎక్కడ వేరే నాకు లోగో పక్కన కాలేజ్ ఇమేజ్ రావాలి. వాట్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ హియర్, IMG SRC is double quotes Vijayta college.jpg, college.jpg. I am closing it and again I am saving it here. Save. Now let us see the output. Okay, go to Chrome and select it, right click it where it is. See here, image SRC Vijayta College logo is displayed here, and next here will image source is equal to Vijayta College image is going to be displayed here. That means here two images also I going to be created. If I wanted to create two images means here I going to be used here two imgs. I am going to be used here two img tag, two img tag. Let us see here. I am removing it. I am okay. I am removing it here. Then again I am saving here, file, save. Let us see the output here. Okay, that means here I used only one img tag. Here again I am writing here img src equal to, what is the name here, what is the name here, Vijayta college, Vijayta college, right? Vijayta college. In the Vijayta college here I used here dot jpg. I used here dot jpg, dot jpg double quotes, and here I am closing it. Then I am saving here, file, save. Then let us see the output here. Two images is going to be displayed. That is the use of here images. That is the use of here images. Let us see here. Try to create your own image tag by using a image tag. Create a image and send it to group. Okay, all of you. That means here how to create a, this is a web page. What is the web page name here? What is the web page name here? Creating a page. In the creating a page, I created a web page with the two images. One is logo, another one is a college. In the same way like that you have to you have to practice it by using a image tag. By using a image tag. Hope you all are understanding. Thank you one and all. It is the use, it is very important. The image tag is very important. Keep it in the mind. Here we are going to be used a tag. That tag is known as here img tag.